Hello everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show how to recover deleted email messages or recover deleted email chats. So let's see how to do that. So first of all, I can delete some email messages and then open it. And in this I can see me and my friends email messages. And in this time I can delete these email messages and then go back and then tap on please. And then delete chat history with Ratul and then delete. And in this you can see I can delete me and my friends email messages or email chats, but I can easily recover or restore this deleted email messages or chats. So let's see how to do that. Minimize it and go to my Google Play Store. And then open Google Play Store. Open NoticeApp app. Please install this app. After install this app and then open it. And in this you can see my all deleted email messages or email chats recover or restore in this here. And then open it. And in this you can see me and my friends deleted email messages or chats recover or restore in this here. And then go back. And in this way you can easily recover or restore your all deleted email chats or email messages. So thank you very much and please subscribe this channel.